Arvind Srihari. I'm the Senior Director of Sustainability Solutions at Redaptive. I've been here 3 years now, but I've been in the industry for the last 2 decades.
Hi, I'm Sean Tuoto. I lead product marketing at Redaptive for manufacturers.
Redaptive has been around about 10 years now. We offer energy as a service and also data as a service. On energy as a service, our program offering is enabling our clients to hit their energy and sustainability goals faster than they're doing it themselves. And the way we do that is we identify energy projects at their facilities, and we deploy those energy projects by providing financing and also the program management of the different vendors that it takes to deploy the projects. And we measure and verify the actual energy savings using our meters. And based on the actual meter readings, the actual savings is how we bill them. And it results in usually a reduction in their operating expenses, and they pay using the reduction in their OPEX.
This event is fantastic. Generis does a great job of not only making the event a really fun place to be, but connecting us with the right type of clients. The event's been fantastic. Arvind, I've had extremely productive conversations, and frankly, this is one of the best events I've been to all year.